As an industry-leading mechanical, fire protection, and fabrication contractor since 1880, Ahern takes pride in providing our clients with integrated multi-trade fabrication shop solutions at the highest standard of quality and safety. Our full range of in-house product manufacturing capabilities include piping, ductwork, sprinkler pipe, plumbing assemblies, modular prefabricated rack, skid, and pod systems, and industrial environment components from tanks and pressure vessels to staircases, rails, and platforms. We also have a fire extinguisher recharge shop and our own dedicated tools and equipment shop to make sure the right tools are available at the right time. With combined shop production space of over 418,000 square feet and over 36 acres of laydown yard capacity, Ahern can manage any size project in accordance with your project specifications. We pride ourselves on continued investment in state-of-the-art equipment and technology for our fabrication shops to reduce manual processes and paperwork while improving productivity. Our investments ensure we deliver your fabrication project with the utmost quality, efficiency, and safety. Ahern has in-house pre-construction experts to provide design, build, and assist services for complex prefabricated components and systems to ensure proper code compliance. We also provide structural engineering and design services and building structure analysis for placement of equipment on or in existing facilities. Ahern is an ASME certified partner with the ability to fabricate and repair products that require PP, R, and U stamps. Our experienced engineers and BIM CAD drafters are best in class. They are trained to the highest certification and are knowledgeable with most metals. Ahern's quality control process includes material verification, QC inspector checks at every phase, and X-ray, mag particle testing, dye penetrant, and/or hydro testing as required by code or specifications. The clean build practices we deploy are tailored based on project specification and ensure your product arrives safe and secure at the job site destination. We provide managed delivery from our manufacturing facilities to reduce downtime and material congestion while maximizing efficiency in offloading and installation. Our integrated multi-trade shop solutions enable us to share team and equipment resources on projects of all sizes to optimize efficiency based on your project schedule. Your business relies on project success. Ahern's fabrication shops will help you get the job done right.